Tired of getting lost and wasting precious time on the road? Let's unlock the secret to seamless navigation and bigger earnings by integrating Google Maps with your Uber Driver app. First, open your Uber Driver app. Next, tap the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. Then navigate to Settings and look for the navigation option. Tap it. Here, you'll see a list of available navigation apps. Ensure Google Maps is selected as your preferred navigation app. This is crucial for the integration to work. Now, when you accept a ride, Google Maps will automatically launch and provide real-time traffic updates, suggesting the fastest and most efficient routes to your passengers' pickup location. Keep an eye on the color-coded traffic layers in Google Maps, using green for free-flowing traffic, yellow for moderate congestion, and red for heavy delays. This will help you avoid traffic jams. Once you've picked up your passenger, the Uber Driver app will seamlessly transition to Google Maps, guiding you to their destination with precise turn-by-turn instructions. By integrating Google Maps, you'll minimize errors, navigate like a pro, and significantly enhance your passengers' experience, leading to better ratings and more tips. Start driving smarter, not harder.